He got scared, but
yeah.
he definitely didn't like him.
There's pee there. They keep
Yeah, that's why they keep going over there. Everybody peed there. Monster.
He's like, no, whatever.
Nothing like Rocky. Hell, Rocky didn't get that far.
No, he didn't.
Hell, he's wagging his tail. It's not enough.
His hair's up a little bit, but yeah, but it's nothing like Rocky.
Connor's doing so good.
Rocky looked like a pointer.
He was shaking, huh? He was
yeah.
so, like, locked, he was shaking. Look at that head. He makes Hunter's head look tiny.
Yeah, even that, no big deal.
He's so funny looking.
He is. It's like his head doesn't belong in that body.
They put the steroid in him or something. Jeez.
They do.
Yeah, I know.
They give them performance drugs just like athletes. You know,
Yeah.
just make them look bigger, meaner. Look, he's got a calm eye.
Mhm.
He just kind of like rolled his eyes up